Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Metapixel to Webflow. First, you'll need to understand what the Metapixel is and why it's crucial for tracking user behavior on your website. We'll then go through the process of finding your unique pixel ID within your Facebook Business Manager, which is a critical first step. Finally, I'll show you the two main ways to integrate this powerful tracking tool into your Webflow project, ensuring you capture valuable data. To begin, navigate to your Facebook Business Manager, selecting the specific ad account you wish to use. Within the Business Manager, locate and click on the Events Manager. Here, you will find your Meta pixel listed. Carefully copy the unique 11-digit pixel ID displayed, as this numerical code is essential for connecting your tracking to your Webflow site. Keep this ID handy for the next steps in our integration process. Now, let's integrate the pixel into Webflow. The most common method involves using Webflow's custom code embed feature. Go to your Webflow project settings, then navigate to the custom code section. Paste the entire Meta pixel base code, which includes your unique ID, into the head tag. Alternatively, for a more streamlined setup, consider using a third-party integration that simplifies the process significantly, often requiring just your pixel ID. Finally, it's crucial to verify your setup. Install the Meta Pixel Helper, a helpful browser extension, to confirm your pixel is firing correctly on your Webflow site. After installation, send some test traffic to your site and check the Events Manager to ensure events are being reported accurately. Remember to implement standard events like page view and consider custom events for deeper insights into user actions, optimizing your data collection for better results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.